welcome back to my channel, and like always, I hope all of you guys are having a great day so far. So for today's video, I am going to be showing you guys a breakfast and lunch that you can make for your kids that's creative and super easy to make. So let's go ahead and get started with the breakfast. You are going to need some pancake mix, some strawberries, and some blueberries, and of course I am going to go ahead and get started with the pancakes first. And as you can tell, I kind of just eyeball it. I was just pouring the pancake mix in the bowl, and then I did use about 1.5 cups of water, and now I am just going to mix it all together until I get the perfect consistency. Now that I'm done with the pancake mix and the consistency of it is perfect, just how I like it, I can go ahead and actually start cooking the pancakes. And I'm just using this plancha. That's what I call it in Spanish. I honestly have no idea what it's even called in English because I've never named it in English. Me and Derek always say, "Pass me la plancha." So I'm sorry guys, I don't know what this is called in English, but this is where I'm going to go ahead and make the pancakes. So you are going to have to make 2 pancakes. You're going to make one that's really big, and then you're going to have to make one that's about half the size of the big one, if not even a little bit smaller than the first one. And you guys will see that I feel like the second one that I made, that's supposed to be the smaller size, I feel like I could have actually gone even a little bit smaller. I do feel like it's a little bit bigger than what it should have been, but I still do think it came out fine. But you guys will see what I mean. To the fruits, I actually have the blueberries and the strawberries on this little bowl, but you can tell because the blueberries are all the way in the bottom. But of course I am just washing all of my fruits so that they can be nice and clean, and now I'm going to go ahead and get started on cutting them. Time to start decorating it, and this is hands down my favorite part. So what I'm making is a lion, and you guys will actually see it like come together and stuff. But guys, this was so much fun. Nicholas loved it. You guys are going to see his reaction right now, but honestly it was just so much fun, and I promise you guys that it was so easy to make. If it wasn't because of the filming, I could have honestly had it done in like 10 minutes. It's super easy to do. But that is the final result, so let's see what Nicholas says.
¿Qué es eso? Míralo, míralo primero, ¿qué es eso?
No sé.
Mira,
Es un lion. Míralo.
Pero los
¡Qué rico!
lion.
Eso es un lion.
Pero los lion tienen 2 ojos.
Mira, estos son los ojitos y esa es la boca. Así, mira, ese hueco.
¿Y es que se
Esos son todos los pelos. Alright guys, so now on to lunchtime, and for lunch my kids will usually have something that's small and nothing too heavy because they do have a snack after breakfast before lunch, so they will always have like their heavy meal of the day will be for dinner, and then for lunch it'll just be something simple. So that's what I'm doing right now. So for this little lunch idea, you are going to need a slice of bread, some peanut butter, some blueberries, and a banana. So I am going to go ahead and spread a layer of peanut butter on my toasted bread, and I'm going to cut up 3 little slices of banana, and I'm going to go ahead and put it on the toast as so. And what I'm making right now is a little bear. You guys will see the final result in the end, but it was so cute, and this was super easy, guys. I mean, it literally does not get easier than this, guys. It was super easy, and Nicholas and Nathan both loved it.
Primero fue online, ¿y este qué es?
¿Qué es eso?
Es un bear.
¿Un bear? Yo quiero ver ese bear.
¿Ayudan eso?
Eso es un bear.
Mira,
¿Cómo hacen los bears?
mira los ears, los ojitos. La nariz.
Cool. Alright guys, so you are going to see one extra little bonus towards the end of this video, but I just wanted to go ahead and thank you guys so much for all of your support. Thank you for everyone that thumbs up my videos, and for everyone that has subscribed recently. It honestly means so much. And if you're not yet subscribed, definitely don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you leave. But that is pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys. So this one wasn't really part of the video, but this is what we made for dinner, and Derek actually decided to put it as a little bunny, and it looks so awesome. Hi! ¿Tú querías decir hi?